What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I'm always looking for gems that could be memes, that could have utility, or whatever, right? And a lot of these meme plays, just have clever names, funny names, great things, great memes that are associated with them, whatever, right? Some sort of connection that really makes them popular. And we all know that things that are popular right now in the crypto space is going to be Shiba Inu and other memes that are there, and things that are popular in the world in general is Keanu, right? Keanu Reeves. And to be able to combine the two of those, honestly, is hilarious, but then also has a level of popularity that I think could end up pushing this pretty far. Now, right now, this is in pre sale. So we're going to go over this position and see what it could be worth, but I think it's definitely something that you want to take a look at just because of the association, the popularity that it could have, and the large memeability that it could have as well. So hopefully this does end up picking up and turning into something massive, because then people can gain a heck of a lot as they are within this pre-sale. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. Not only the links for my channel and all of my links, but also the links for Shiba Keanu. I think you guys need to go and look at all the different information yourself. I implore you guys to do your own research before you decide to invest into something. Don't just invest into something because I'm talking about it, because I talk about a lot of things. And just because I talk about something doesn't mean it is the absolute best investment in the world. But I want you guys to be able to discover these diamond in the roughs for yourself if it is going to be that. But I think this is pretty interesting to be able to have something like this. When this came across my desk, I was like, this is pretty funny. Because currently Shiba Keanu on Twitter has 4,410 followers. And you see all the different traction as they're top following 10 people. You see all the different tweets that they do have and the traction that they are getting, which is slight traction. It's not crazy, but some of them get a little bit more than others. But if we go into the website, so right now you have 6 days, 5 hours, 51 minutes, and 40-ish seconds to the Shiba Keanu pre-sale. So if you want to check out all their information, they have everything there, whether it's their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Twitter, and whatever else these are, and Telegram as well. Let's just understand what is Shiba Keanu, right? Because that's probably the question that you do have here. Shiba Keanu is a BNB based meme token combining Shiba Inu and Keanu Reeves. 888 trillion tokens exist, with 444 trillion entrusted to Keanu Reeves for charitable purposes. The community governs the token's future through a voting mechanism. Shiba Keanu is not endorsed by Keanu Reeves, but plans are in place for potential collaboration. The community is urged to indirectly engage with Keanu Reeves or Reeves through social media, respecting his privacy. A dedicated website page with detailed Reeves token distributions for charitable efforts. The project emphasizes community control and evolution, evolution over time. Sorry, I couldn't see that. But it's funny to be able to see you have like the combination between Shiba Inu and Keanu Reeves. It's point blank exactly what you would think that it is, and they state it right within the first couple of seconds of reading within this. But they're giving half the tokens to Keanu Reeves for charitable purposes. And I don't know if he'll end up using it or what he'll do with it. If it could be like a Vitalik situation where he burns off 40% of the supply or half the supply or whatever. I would always be interested. So look at the token distribution. Keanu Reeves gets 50%. Founders' wallets get 1.13%. Marketing gets 1.13%. Developers 1.13%. And circulation will have 46.62%. Join our pre-sale whitelist and be prepared to receive your slice. So you can go ahead and put your email address or your enter your wallet address in order to go into that. But Let's go into, I guess, this little message that they have for Keanu Reeves. I feel like that's something that's always going to be a big selling point for something that has the popularity here or can potentially reach out to Keanu Reeves. Dear Mr. Reeves, we hope this message finds you well. It is with great trust and excitement that we reach out to you today. We have entrusted you with half of the 888 trillion Shiba Keanu tokens. The Shiba Keanu project was founded upon a noble and charitable purpose, and after careful consideration, we have chosen you to carry the responsibility of managing 444 trillion tokens for the sole purpose of making a positive impact on those in need. The Shiba Keanu community, as well as our dedicated team, eagerly await your acceptance. We are filled with enthusiasm for the potential and possibilities that lie ahead, driven by your involvement in our collective endeavor. Yours sincerely, Shiba Keanu community and team. So they have a message going directly out, to him to say, look, we entrusted you with these tokens. We're hoping that, you will do something, do some sort of a charitable act with them and care about those tokens as much as we care about them, because we care about the project as if it's our baby. And obviously we want to care about, the world and do good deeds throughout this time period to where we're seeing the growth for Shiba Keanu and the value for that grow up to where now you can utilize some of these coins for charitable purposes, or just burn off the entire thing and then essentially see the overall position grow. Who knows what's really going to happen there. You do have a governance. Shiba Keanu operates as a decentralized and community driven project. Token holders will have the opportunity to participate in governance proposals and decisions. In enduring transparency or ensuring transparency and inclusivity in the project's future development and endeavors. This will be implanted by way of voting by all holders. So honestly, that's good to see any type of governance and to be able to have that decision being made by the community rather than just by one single person, and to be able to vote on those decisions is absolutely amazing. So honestly, you can go here and check out everything that you want. You can check out the branding, you can check out the token audit, expenditures, the team, everything about the team, right? Let's accept that as we go into the site, and you'll be able to understand more about them. So you have Neo, that's a male, 52 years old. You have a female that's 43 years old, a male, John, that is 37 years old, and Ted is a male that's 44 years old. And they go through like, why are we anonymous for now? So most likely they will reveal that identity as time goes on and become doxxed as they see the project that does grow, right? You see a lot of meme coins that do end up growing because of the fact that you really don't have who that true leader actually is. I mean, you know them by name, I guess, but you wouldn't know who they are individually and what they look like and all of that. So this is interesting, right? I wouldn't say that it's the absolute game changer position for anybody. However, you never really know. There's a lot of plays out there that you wouldn't think would absolutely skyrocket, but do make huge moves and have a huge impact. So anyways, guys, I want you guys to check out all the information down below. I'll provide all of this information that we have gone over in the video, but it is currently in pre-sale. So I will provide the link to get involved with the pre-sale. I'll provide the link to look at the website, provide their Twitter account, provide their Telegram, everything that they have to offer. I'll put it in the description. So feel free to check that out if you guys are interested in Shiba Keanu. And yeah, I guess we're going to be part of, what was it, John Wick 4 at this point? So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.